In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an external camera to Microsoft Teams. This setup can greatly enhance your video call quality, whether you're aiming for crisp video clarity for professional meetings or simply boosting your personal video call experience. So let's dive in and go through the steps to get you all set up. First, you need to connect your camera to your computer. If you're using a laptop, chances are you already have a built-in webcam, which means there are no additional steps required for connecting. However, if you're using an external USB camera, plug it directly into your computer's USB-I port. Now, when it comes to more professional equipment like a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, you'll need to use a capture card, such as the Elgato Camlink or webcam utility software that's provided by your camera manufacturer. Once your camera is physically connected, it's important to ensure your computer detects it. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, navigate to Settings, select Devices, and then click on Bluetooth and Devices followed by Camera. For Mac users, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Camera. In each case, you should find your camera listed there. Double check that it isn't blocked by any privacy settings. After you've confirmed that your computer recognizes your camera, it's time to configure Microsoft Teams. Start by launching the Microsoft Teams application. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select Settings and then Devices. In the Devices section, look for the camera category. You'll find a drop-down list there. Go ahead and select the camera you want to use, whether it's your basic USB webcam or a more advanced option like the Camlink 4K. Once you choose your camera, a live preview of your video feed should appear. This gives you a quick confirmation that your camera is working as expected. Before joining any meetings, it's always a good idea to make a test call. In the team settings, you'll find an option to make a test call. Use this to check the lighting, angle, and clarity of your video. Adjust your setup as necessary until you're satisfied with the video quality. When you're ready to join a meeting, there's one last step. On the pre-join screen, ensure that the camera switch is toggled on. Microsoft Teams will remember your last selected camera, making it convenient for future calls. For flexibility, you can even switch cameras during a meeting by clicking on More, followed by Device Settings. With these steps, you're now ready to enhance your Microsoft Teams experience with an external camera. Feel free to experiment with different angles and settings to see what works best for you.